Hello students, under statistical methods, now the topic is correlation and regression. So one problem, obtain the lines of regression and hence find the coefficient of correlation for the data given. It is x and y. X values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and y values 9, 8, 10, 12, 11, 13, 14. So correlation and regression. This topic deals with the data connecting independent observation. For example, so marks of individual in two subjects or height and weight of individuals. So to start this solution, we have lines of regression in the form y is equals to, this is formula you have to know, it is y, capital Y is equals to summation of capital XY divided by summation of capital X square into x, and x is equals to, capital X is equals to, so summation of xy divided by summation of, this time it is capital Y square into y. Simple formula. So call it as a equation 1, both y value and x. The equation is 1. Next we have to make the table. So we can call it a relevant table. So as it is, so x and y is there. So we require here capital X, capital Y, this xy, x square and y square to get summation of these all. So first 1 into y. We denote here, write one sentence, we denote. So capital X is equals to x minus x bar, and so capital Y is equals to y minus y bar to form the table. So here, so how to calculate x bar? X bar is nothing but summation of x by n. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 summation of x. So summation of x is nothing but 7, 6, 13, 18, 22, 25, 27, 28. Summation of x is equals to 28, and summation of small y is equals to 14, 27, 37, 38, 48, 50, 60, 70, 77. So summation of y is equals to 77. Now to get x value, x is nothing but x minus x. X is 1 and summation of x is 28 here, 28, and n is the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So x bar we got as a 4, and simultaneous summation of y, it is 77 divided by again 7. So it is equals to y bar is 11. Two values are there. We can call it as, so x1. Now x, capital X is nothing but x minus x bar. So x is 1, 1 minus 4, it is minus 3. Next 2 minus 4, it is minus 2. Next 3 minus 4, minus 1. Next 0. Next 5 minus 4 is 1, 6 minus 4 is 2, and 7 minus 4 is 3. Next y is equals to y minus y bar. So 9 minus 11, it is minus 2. Next 8 minus 11, it is minus 3. Next 10 minus 11, it is minus 1. In here 12 minus 11 is 1. Next 11 minus 11 is 0. 13 minus 11 is 2. And 14 minus 11 is 3. Next multiply this. Xy we required. Capital X into capital Y. 3 into 2 is 6. Minus 2 minus 3. Again it is 6 plus 6. So plus 1. This is 0. This is 0. Next 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. Next x square. So it is minus 3 into minus 3. Minus 3 the square, it is 9. Next 4. next 1, next 0, next 1, next 2 2s are 4, and last 3 3s are 9. And y square is 4 minus 3 square 9 minus 1 square 1. So 1 square again, it is 1. So 0 square, 2 square, 3 square, 9. So we require here summation of xy, summation of x square, summation of y square. So summation of xy is equals to 3 4 7 8 14. Summation of xy 6 6 12 13. 6 12 13 16 20. Here x into y, 3 into 3 9, it is 9 4 13 14 20 26. Yes, it is 26. So x square is 9 4 13 14 15 19 28. Summation of x square, capital X square, is equals to 28, and summation of y square is equals to 9 4 13 14 15 19 plus 9, again it is 28. So like this. Next, from equation 1 we'll write y is equals to, this is y is equals to, y is nothing but y minus y bar. From equation 1, so capital Y is y minus y dash. So this is small y minus, y bar. This is equals to summation of xy, it is 28, divided by summation of xy, 26. So I will write here. So capital Y. So y is y minus y dash, y minus y bar, y minus y bar. Y bar is nothing but 11. Y minus y bar is equals to summation of xy. Summation of xy is 26 divided by summation of x square. It is 28. Next, capital X. Capital X is nothing but x minus x bar. X bar is nothing but 4. X minus 4. So it is 26 by 28. In calci, if you calculate, you can get 0.93. Next, x minus 4. Here it is y minus 11. To solve, if you are solving this, you will get y is equals to 0.93 into x. Next, shift this 11, so it becomes plus 7.28. So it is y minus y bar is equals to summation of xy divided by summation of x square. Next, capital X means x minus x bar. X bar is nothing but 4. So we will get 0.93. Y is equal to 0.93 into x, 0.93x into this multiply 0.93 into 4 and shift this 11 this side plus, so it becomes 7.28. And this capital X is nothing but x minus x bar. X minus x bar is equals to summation of xy. Summation of xy is 26 divided by summation of y square. Y square is again 28 into y. Y is nothing but y minus y dash, it is y minus y bar, sorry, not y dash, it is y bar. Y bar is 11. So if you calculate this one, we'll get x minus 4 is equals to, it is again 26 by 28 is 0.93, y minus 11, and x is equals to 0.93y. Next, it is minus, shift this, so it is 4 and this multiplied by 11, so it is 6.23 something. These are the regression lines. Next we'll find what they ask. Next, coefficient of correlation. So coefficient of correlation is, so r is equals to square root of, under square root of, it is coefficient of x into coefficient of y. Coefficient of y. So it becomes under square root sign, coefficient of x is 0.93 and coefficient of y is 0.93, again it is 0.93. So this is equals to, that is r is equals to, can write plus 0.93, because the sign of r must be positive, since both the regression coefficients are positive, x and y are positive, so it must be positive. So r is equals to, thus r is equals to 0.93. This is the required solution for this type of problem. I hope you understood this problem.